beautiful soul, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Today I'm here with a wig show and tell, and this wig is brought to you by Alipearl hair. If you're interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave the direct link to it in my description box with some other links that you just might be interested in. The wig came neatly packaged in this beautiful gold box. When you order, they send you some free gifts in the box. I received a Alipearl edge band, a pair of strip eyelashes, 2 HD wig caps, a edge comb and brush, and this pink Alipearl silk baggie. These are really good to store your wigs in if you do not want to keep the box. So now on to the wig. The wig came neatly packaged in this long clear Ziploc baggie. When I took the wig straight out of the package, it didn't have no foul odor. Here's a close-up of the inside cap construction. I like to show the cap construction so you guys know how much parting space you're really working with. But this wig comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal there are 2 combs, plus another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They inserted a removable adjustable elastic band. It also comes with little zigzag silicone with it so it can help be anti-slip proof. The lace is HD lace, and as for the hair texture, it feels like a silky texture. And we can already see that the knots come pre-bleached, and so far it is looking good. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes straight out of the package. The hairline comes pre-plucked. They did a great job pre-plucking it, and the knots come pre-bleached. And I took time to part it to see how good the knots are bleached. And each side I went to, the knots look really good. They did a great job pre-bleaching the knots. The curls that came on the wig straight off the package, I won't be using in today's video, but I do want to show you guys what it looked like combed out. And after it's combed out, it's not too bad, but I would like to straighten the hair. So today I will be using some serum and my 360 mist spray bottle with some water to first blow out the hair and straighten it. And I'm just going to start from the back and work my way up to the top. So another option you could do as well is you can wash the wig and leave it to air dry or even blow dry it, but I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm just gonna do it this way so I can start with a clean slate. Alrighty so now that I'm all done blowing out the hair with the blow dryer, I went off camera and customized the hairline to my liking. The left side is how the hairline came before, the right side is what I did off camera, and I was new to it, so I was nervous about showing how I plucked it on camera. I didn't know it was gonna turn out so good, so next time when I get a HD lace wig, I would have to show how I do it on camera to get that natural hairline. So after I did the hairline, I went in with my Babyliss Prima 3000 and straightened the hair with some huge chunks. And the temperature setting I had it on was 410 degrees, and the hair took heat really well. There is lace that comes in the nape area, so be sure to cut that off before you do your full install. Here I am going to use the Hair World Lace Tint Mousse in the shade Light Brown. I just take some of this and pump it onto a paper towel, and then the rest of the product I dab it on the brush and I apply it underneath the lace. But when I was applying it, I was only applying it to the spots that will be showing, so that was the hairline and the parting space. One thing I love about this product is you can build it onto the lace. You can pump it directly onto the lace as well, but I find when I do that, it's a little darker on my skin compared to when I take my time and build it. Sometimes one layer is good, and then sometimes I need 2 layers. It all depends on how thick the lace is. So next, after I'm all done customizing the wig on the blockhead, I'm going to cut off that extra lace in the front, and I am using pink shears. I just take my time and cut right along the hairline. Hey beautiful, I hope you all are doing well. Now it is time for the wig install. And I am so hyped. I am so sorry, Alipearl, that this review is long overdue, but I knew this would be the perfect wig to try out the plucking technique with the Legos hairline. And I did something. It's not a full Legos hairline. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but it's a natural hairline, and this is one of the perfect wigs to try the Legos hairline with because the lace is so thin. Like, it's really high definition lace. The hair quality feels amazing. It has a nice flow, really beautiful. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swap wigs. If you're interested in this wig, this is a synthetic wig. This isn't a virgin hair wig like this one, but if you're interested in it, I'll be sure to leave the video link in the description box. So underneath the wig, I'm going to wear a brown nude stocking cap. I already went ahead and tinted the lace. I don't have the adjustable straps really too close as well. And the adjustable elastic band, I don't have it super tight because I wanted to have stretch room in there and still feel comfortable. So now I'm just gonna try the wig on. When I put the wig on, I make sure the adjustable elastic band is nice and comfortable in my nape area. I pull the rest of the wig back. Okay, and then I'm just gonna adjust it to where I would like it before my hairline. Okay. Well, I told y'all, look how the lace vanished onto my forehead. It vanished like magic. Wow. Oh my God. I am so impressed with this lace. Like, it's not even melted down, and look how good it looks. Look at it. Look at it. Nah, what? Wow. Oh my God. All right, so far, as you guys can see, it is looking just really beautiful and flawless, but it would be nice to get the ear tabs down. So I feel like with this install, just a little bit of spray will go a long way. I'm debating if I should use the Frontal Queen melting spray or the Bedhead TG Heart Head spray. And I'm not gonna lie, if you don't have this melting spray, I don't know what you're waiting for, because this thing melts. It really does the job. And since I'm really raving about it, I'm gonna just use this one today. I'm so excited. This looks so good. I'm debating if I should put any, I don't think I should put anything on the forehead. I should just lay the sides down for this wig show and tell, so you guys can really get the hint of what this wig looked like from Alipearl hair. So let me do that. Okay, so to use it, I shake it up first, and then I spray some into like a cover. Gonna use just a little bit, dip my finger in it. You can also use a brush for a more cleaner, neater install. And I'm just gonna take it and put it on top of the lace hairline. And wow, even when it goes on it, it just melts everything. Like if you have an HD wig, I 100% recommend this spray on top of the glue. It gives the wig that extra melt. So after that, I use my blow dryer, and I'm gonna use it on the warm setting and just blow dry it until it's completely dry. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 and apply some of this powder not underneath the lace, whoopsie, on top of the lace hairline. And I'm also going to apply just a little bit to the parting space, because the parting space already looks good, but I would like to cover up my wig cap underneath. Okay, beautiful. So right here is my end results on the wig from Alipearl. On their website, this is their 13x4 HD lace frontal wig and 5x5 lace closure wig, body wave human hair wig. I am doing a wig show and tell to show what this wig looked like directly from their hair company and what to expect when you get it. I just showed you guys what I did and told you guys what I did, so you guys know how I got my end results for anybody that's interested. The length of the wig that I have is 24 inches. My height is 5'6". This wig is available from the hair length 14 inches to 36 inches. The lace that they provided on this wig is HD lace, but they also have the option for a super transparent LY lace. And this is what the wig looks like in natural sunlight. I think this wig is gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous, really nice. The hair density is 180%. If you would like it more thicker, they have a 250% hair density option. Installing this wig and customizing this wig was pretty easy, especially since Alipearl pretty much did most of the work. They did a great job bleaching the knots. The hairline came pre-plucked, so I just had to pluck it a little bit more to my liking once I changed the shape of it. And the install is glueless, baby. Like, I have no complaints. Like, really love it. Not bad for a HD lace wig that's human hair. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And like always, thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later. Be safe out there.